Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Will over here from At Home with Dementia. And today we have a really great tip for you. And if you remember back when you were in school, when your teacher wasn't there, your teacher called out sick or took a personal day, and you would have a substitute, and the substitute needed to follow the sub plans. Well, we have the same situation when you are a caregiver. There will be times where you may not feel well or you have an emergency come up. Whatever it is, you may need to send someone in your place, whether it's to just check on your loved one or if you need them there for the whole day. In any case, one thing you can do ahead of time to prepare is create your sub plan. So this is your substitute caregiver plan. And what you want to do is include things like, what time does your loved one wake up? What do they do when they wake up? What is their routine? What does their day look like? What kind of foods do they like to eat? What options do they have? Can they play games? Can they do puzzles? Or do they go to an adult daycare? But you want to get everything written down so that in the event that you have an emergency or you are suddenly called away, on top of everything else, you're not trying to guide them through your loved one's day. And one of our best tips is to take that sub plan and tape it to the inside of an upper cabinet, somewhere where your loved one doesn't really look a lot, because if you put it out in the open, it might confuse them. They might not know what it's for. They may throw it out. So you can tape it right to the inside of, say, a kitchen cabinet, but one of the ones that's high out of the way that they may not use too often, so that you can direct your substitute caregiver exactly where to find the directions. For more tips, click onto our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need more solutions and ideas, check out athomewithdementia.com. Thanks for watching.